Morning, everybody. You're currently watching a Holy Grail trade playback. If some of you were with me in the evening, you noticed it wasn't working. Now it is. Pre-market live trading. What's today's date? 6/28/24. Friday. I won't be trading through market open. Got a nice trip coming up, I think. We'll see how that fucking goes. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Trying to get maybe an hour and a half trading in for you guys. We'll do live training and trading. Great. Hold on 1 second. Oh. Sorry. One of my computers on the fritz. So I'm having to use one laptop. Good morning to everybody. How are y'all doing? Glorious day to be alive. Thank God for another day above ground. Another day of health, happiness, spiritual closeness with Him. Thank you for all of my blessings you've given me with my family members, all being relatively healthy and happy. And for my loving wife. Amazing to find my soulmate, best friend, most beautiful woman in the world. No offense to anyone else out there, but she is. All right, now I think we're getting closer to being where we need to be. Holy fuck, this is crazy. All right, and I still don't have shoot fire. All right, I think we're getting closer. Hold on. Okay, yeah, you guys are live. All right. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. You're watching a gold Holy Grail trade play out. Uh, it's a live replay. Um, those green buy lines literally can't be any simpler. I got to get live on TikTok though. Okay. Okay. Now we're live on TikTok. I have to make sure we're live on TikTok. Okay. I don't think anyone's there yet, but I think we're good. Yay. Okay. So we're live on TikTok, live on YouTube. I think we're good. Good morning, Dozier Big Boy. Yeah, I don't sleep much. I got about 4 hours last night. Good morning, Tony. Good morning, Susie. God bless you too, Susie. God bless each and every one of you. Good morning, Larry. I think everybody's still asleep. Wow, this is the fewest people I've seen in a long time. Well, we'll be the ones making money and everyone else can sleep in. What's that saying? The early bird gets the worm. All right. I got about an hour and a half before I have to go. I'll be doing it live from St. Thomas. Of course, looks like there's some kind of freaking hurricane blowing in or trying to form or something. I was like, really? Lord. Hopefully everything's okay. We'll still go. I don't know at this point. We'll see. I mean, we have trip insurance, but we're looking forward to going, and I don't think it's going to hit our area, it looks like, but we'll see. Good morning, Priscilla. Good morning, Mohammed. Good morning, Carpet Repair of Arizona. Good morning, Nathan. God bless you, Larry Cooper. God bless each and every one of you. All right. Trying to get a nice little live in before we leave. What you guys are watching is a live playback. This isn't your normal freedom indicator. This is the Holy Grail. You're seeing these buy lines pop up. Unlike the freedom indicator, every time one of these is sent out, you'll be able to hopefully take a market order. That's going to be the ultimate market execution order. Da 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 da. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Good morning, Rico on TikTok. All right. So this is what you're watching is the playback. This is going to be an upcoming signal released sometime in July, August. If you're not familiar with the Holy Grail, it is supposedly a trade that cannot miss. Meaning it is coded to work that you're looking at gold. We're going to have a Holy Grail signal, Lord willing, for gold, almost for surely for NAS and SPX, and possibly several other different symbols also. Look at that go. Holy shit. Woo! Yeah. And it cannot miss unless God wants it to. I always say, as a good analogy, unless the zebra can change the stripes and spots, these signals won't miss. And look at it go. March. So we got a little bit more to go. Every time you see one of those buy lines, you're going to be able to re-enter the trade at market order entry. Don't worry about the amount of money that's being made. See if every one of these lines you see right here is correct. Good morning, Nathan. Good morning, Larry. Good morning, Carpet Repair of Arizona again. Good morning, Mohammed. Good morning, Priscilla. Good morning, JTF6. Blessings and prayers to you too, sir. Good morning, Jones 808. All right. So if you're looking for a way to simplify your trading, make your trading easier, make your trading pretty much idiot proof, I think you stumbled across the right page. This is my daily buy stop current that I called out just a few days ago. What you're watching is all these green lines that say buy, pretty simple, is when you'd enter the trade. Let's see where we're currently at. Almost there. Almost finished. And what you're going to see is each time you can enter that, was it the correct trade? And obviously, in this case, we keep tweaking the signals. These signals are spectacularly accurate. Hopefully, here soon we'll see the 100%. There you go. Don't worry about the dollar amount. Doesn't matter. If you do small trades, if you do bigger, do that. That's what's important. That 100% win rate. That's what you want to see. Dun, 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 dun. Here's a sell for gold. Another sell for gold. This is what you want to see. Are these correct? Doop, doop, doop. Yep. Doop, doop, doop. Yep. Buy correct. Yep. And what we're trying to do is tweak the drawdown now so we don't have as much drawdown. Look. Fucking amazing. Look at this shit. Correct. 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 What do I mean by correct? You see the green buy and it goes up. Let me show you what this would look like live. No one can predict the future except for these indicators. So when these pop up, does it go up? Yeah, absolutely. When this one pops up, when this particular buy right here pops up, does price then go up? Yeah. When these go down, say down, does it go down? Yep. Does it go down from here? Yep. Does it go up from here? Yep. Buy. Yep. Yep. Huge. Yep. 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 There you go. And that's what I mean. So every time you see one of these signals, Lord willing, it'll be a little money in your guys' pocket. Demo money, of course. I am not a financial advisor. Never pretend to be, never want to be, blah, blah, blah. I'm a social media influencer. I have a great store. Remember, you guys are adults. Make your own decisions. We only trade the green up arrow and the red down arrow. Everything I do is logo-based to show you and teach you that. We are the only trading system in the world that's been issued from the United States of America, United States Patent and Trademark Office, a registered, we're not applied for. We have a registered number to me, to the Safety Trade System, stating that Class 41 issuance, coaching in the field of stock market trading, coaching in the field of building generational wealth through stock trading. Yay. Type yes if you understand this is an NDA, trademark, and copyrighted and patent pending system. And please type yes if you understand that I'm not a financial advisor. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Thanks for being on both. Good morning, Rico. Good morning, Mike Mahoyhan. Good morning, Eric and Jones and Jay Parker. Good morning. Da, 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 da. Speaking of which, da, 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 da. Looky there. See, There's a gentleman that emailed in asking about gold and how it could have went straight down. And I told him, and I made a live on this, that you can't take trades on a day. He was doing a daily gold buy. And of course, it went straight down. But look where it's at now. Literally in the money from, it was 2306 actually. What the fuck is this? No, I remember where this one was. Bullshit. 2306 to 2330, $30 an ounce you'd have made. Wow. But no, he has to panic because in an hour it didn't go up. Please do better. Please understand better. I'm not going to mention his name. He's a nice fella. But you can't trade dailies and think that it's going to move in 5 minutes or move in an hour or move in a day. Literally could take days to weeks to months for a daily weekly trade to develop. Crazy. Clearly a buy stop. I don't know why he went into panic mode. It's so weird to me how people trade. Watch. Look how easy this shit is. That really complicates everything. Look at this shit. Watch. This is our logo right here. Some of you can see it easy, some of you can't. What you're looking at, we trade the green up arrow. In this case, us will be looking for a red down arrow. That's it. So how do we find that? Well, gee whiz. We have an EMA, a line. I'm going to draw it on top. Price starts underneath, comes up. The red bullshit detector told us to come down because in our business, red means down right here. And that's why we came back down on it. Now, we have rules. If price is to the left of our EMAs, it's only a buy. So I automatically eliminated any possibility of a sell. So your chances of winning a trade went up 50%. Just from that simple fact that I give out free and teach it all. Look, ding dong. There's our logo. Yes, it's not good drawn. I understand that it's poorly drawn. I get that. That's a quick little 15 minutes on the treadmill this morning. I've been on my fourth, or I think this is the start of my 5th day fast. Feel great, by the way. Didn't get a lot of sleep last night, but that's all right. All right. So here's our logo. And here's our buy stop right inside of here. Everybody knows what this is. Even people who just cheat and steal and actually don't pay for the system know exactly what green, red, and green is. This is a buy stop. You have this one little arrow pointing down. But all these 3 lines, this is our bullshit detector, by the way. All our 3 lines right here are going up. These are called the real direction bar lines. This is how easy it is to trade. 1, 2, 3 lines down here. Then you have the BOK right here, the BOK indicator up and up. So now you have 5 against 1. You have 1 trying to go down and you have 5 going up. 5 people beat 1. This will go up because all of the indicators, including the sniper, seem to go up. And that's as simple as that. How high will it go? I don't know. Do I already know you're up $20, $30 an ounce on gold because of the trade? 100% yes. Whenever you see this pattern that looks like this right here, this is the daily gold. It doesn't matter if we go over to Bitcoin monthly. You'll see the exact same pattern. Okay. And it goes up. I don't care if you go to AUD USD and we go here. And hold on. and we go right here. This is the same exact pattern. You're looking at 3 greens, down red. This is a broken box. Sorry, we can go over this one. This right here. You have your greens, you have your reds. And again, I don't care if this is on the 1 second odd USD or the monthly Bitcoin or the daily gold. When you see this exact pattern, it makes money every time. It went up and you're on the 1 second chart. Yes, we know that sounds, but it's 1 second. You're not going to make a lot, but it does work. Imagine a system being as accurate on the 1 second level as it is on the monthly. Period. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, D Nice. D Nice. Do you see how gold is in the money, by the way? You joined late. I was talking about gold. Just didn't want you to miss that. Do you see that, sir? Good morning, Mike Mahoyan. Thanks for being on board. Good morning. Hope you all caught the little M3 buy stop on gold. Nice, Mr. C. Mr. C loves gold. Holy shit. Good morning, Rayshawn Warren. What's shaking, Rayshawn? All right, D Nice. Great. I'm glad you caught that because, yeah, you have to be patient when you're trading the daily. It doesn't happen in a minute or an hour or even a day most of the time. It takes several days to several weeks, and possibly even a few months. They're very slow developing trades. That's hence the name. Just very, very slow developing trades. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. All right. I'm only going to stay on for about an hour more, actually. That's about it. Now, this pattern is for buys, but of course, there's a sell pattern, which is the complete opposite. And it doesn't matter if you're trading 15 minutes, 3 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes. They all produce. We can go to the 15-minute. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. And whenever you see, what am I on? Odd USD. Sell stop forming. Let me go over to GBP, JPY. Now let's go over to something that's odd. All right, EUR, JPY. I haven't looked at that. I think someone asked about it the other day, but I rarely track this. I don't even know what the hell it does. We'll go back. Oh, look, it's going to be in a buy mode. We'll go back and find this. Da, 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 da. Here we go. Right here. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. Here. Just trying to find a nice, easy one. It's no big deal for you guys. All right. Right here. Inside of the box now, you're going to see an inverse relationship. Before it was green. Now you're going to see a whole bunch of red. So in this case, this right here, we're on 30-minute EUR JPY. Green means up, so this is the up, and that's a lie. It's not really going up, and my system knows that. Because underneath it, you're going to see these 3 red lines. 1, 2, and here's a third one, 3. So underneath this, you're going to see 3 things pulling downward, right? And then above it, you're going to have a red line, the Bach, and you're going to have another red line right here, the second part of the Bach, right? So now you have 5 things pulling down, 1 thing trying to go up. The sniper's also here for you, all 3 lines higher, which is fantastic. And this is a sell. This is on EUR JPY, 30-minute. But again, this doesn't matter whether it was on the 4-hour. And if we go over to Litecoin, used to actually own Litecoin. I don't do that anymore. Here's one right here. The same exact setup as here. There's your Bach, red, red. Here's your green, red, red, red on the 3 bars. Of course, your sniper's up high, and uh, and then of course it goes down. There it goes. So again, just teaching you all how to trade. You no longer are bound and sillily trying to do um, Fibonacci retracements, and all that silly stuff that doesn't work 99% of the time. And people get really upset about that. I don't know why. I guess they just try to hold on to old, incorrect beliefs. That's not me saying that. That is Google. Just do your own little Google search. Quit being lazy and whiny. If you're open and honest, it's a lot better life. So be honest with yourself. In Google search, do less than 99% of traders make money, and you'll have your answer. Google will tell you, yes, less than 1% of, do not less than 99%, less than 1% of day traders actually make money. Again, not me saying that. And no, oh, Head and Shoulders, 83% right. No, I did a video on that, exposing the truth on Head and Shoulders. It actually is found out when studied that it loses money. Here's the rules on this for it. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Here you go. You must unlearn everything you thought you knew about trading because 99% wrong. Volume and VWAP lose 99% of the time. Volume trading loses. Block trading loses 99% of the time. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. So if it loses, naming of candle pair, which is the stupidest thing I ever heard of, silliest thing I ever heard of. I was like, what in the world are they talking about? Silly ass people. You're gonna name a oh, Morning Star, Evening Star, Thor's hammer. Why don't you call it Spider-Man's web? It's the stupidest thing I ever heard of. I never fell for that one. I did fall for Fibonacci retracement. It doesn't work 99% of the time. Less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable. This is a quote. This isn't playtime. This means that you lose 99% of the time if you try to use support and resistance or trend trading. Fact. Get mad if you want, cry if you want, whine if you want, say it's not true if you want, but you know deep down that it's true. All of us lost money when we first started trading. I'm trying to be the light here, trying to help you guys to see and be as consistently profitable with trading as you possibly can be. I made the system color coded. I thought I couldn't make it any easier. A lot of you can't see colors evidently and had challenges. Then I created the sniper to help you with your entries. Helped out a ton. So you still didn't, you were lazy, to be honest, and still didn't use it. Probably sell stop right here. Sell stop forming. This is Litecoin USD sell stop forming. 4 hour. Put your sell stop right about here and wait at $72.32. Demo money only. I'm not a financial advisor. So with that being said, I then created a signal service to tell you when to get it out. And that signal service is on fire. Hundreds of you buying it, benefiting from it. It's just amazing. That signal service is something else. Something else, I tell you. Just amazing. Yes, sir. I got anxious. Don't tell yourself I didn't mention any names. Be nice. That's funny. 20 tough pips. Nice DPFX. I'm glad you were profitable. Made 20 pips. Can you look at? Hold on. Gold. 5-minute, 1-minute buy stop that's formed. Okay. Let's look at gold. Again, I think a lot of you need to be updated on the new way to trade. just going to be as nice as I can. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop that's formed. There isn't. What do you mean? What does he mean? Matter of factly, let's go over here. Oh, these are all the old ones. Hold on, we got to install the new, my friends. We're developing the Holy Grail trade. We have completed and finalized the freedom signals. So exciting. Oh my gosh, you guys are so easy. All right. Da, 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 da. So here you go. This is now how you look at it, Ray Sean. Instead of 1 minute, 5 minute, the hourly controls the 1 minute. So you need to go down to the 30-second chart. And this is how I read whatever trade you're trying to take right now. I'll show you how you should be trading so you're clear. All right. This is what you have now, Ray Sean. You have the machine gun pre-signal calling out a buy, automatically eliminating any possibility of a sell. So it's telling you it's a pre-signal. It's a signal to alert you that other signals are coming. Imagine that shit. It's a signal that alerts you that other signals may be coming. I've never heard of such in my life. That's the machine gun part of the signal when you pop this up right here. This is your machine gun pre-signal. Let's go over this. Da, 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 da. That's this top thing right here. The high true 2.0 signals are down below it. They're smaller. The freedom indicator, this is called when it's combined. So now, Rayshon, what we do is wait for the first. So you can take a market room. I don't recommend that, but you can. And then what you do is do 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 do. What you do is you wait for one of these green arrows to pop up right here. Arrow to arrow trading. So let's go ahead and do it. Maybe it'll work. It worked earlier on gold. Maybe the playback won't. Let's see how it looks. Hold on a second. Let me just grab this and see if these are pop up. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. Sometimes they do. And so, yeah, they do. There you go. All right, so here we go. We're looking at gold. And Rayshawn was asking about a 1 minute. I'm going to tag this one so I know this is our first one, right? He was asking about a 1 minute buy stop that formed. I'm going to show him it live of how he should trade this. This playback feature that is now kind of working most of the time is going to be the biggest godsend for your guys' learning and trading that you've ever seen. We're going to wait to see if a line pops up. Yeah, right here. There you go. So our line did pop up. It is working this morning. Yeah, yes. Right here, there's a buy. You can see Rayshawn that this turns to green. This is the overriding. This is the godlike signal. This is a pre-signal. This is the big boy. This is your boss. Say you were, this is the owner of a corporation. Say you're owner of your company that you work for, if you work for a company. This is the boss. Underneath this is the boss telling what the other people to do. This is your boss, right? Telling your employees what to do. The boss is telling. This H1 signal is telling the M3 and M1 and S30, you're only going to turn green or I'm not taking the trade. Sevens, if you guys understand what I'm trying to do an analogy with, I'm trying to tell you guys, not for sure it's working, but that's what I'm trying to do here. What's up, Martar? Oh my God. Those were the exact freaking trades I took. Look at it, call them out money. Nice, Mr. C. Congratulations. Yay. What's up, D Man? What's up, Lachey? Da, 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 da. Sevens. All right. So this is all you guys have to remember from now on. This is the boss, and these are employees. We're going to go ahead and do an order here, even though we don't need to. And well, I'm not going to. I'll wait for the first one to come up. Now I'm going to play this back times 10 for a while. So we're just going to be patient. We're going to wait for one of these to change to green. And as we saw, it's going to be a 30-seconder. So we're just going to be a little patient here. It's just going to take a second. When it comes up, though, da 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 da. We'll see if it's the correct call. And we're doing gold minute buy stop. It's going to be a 30-second because that's the first one that pops. Buy stop. And we're doing this for Ray Sean. Showing him he's asking about a 1 minute, 5 minute. That is no longer the case, Ray Sean. It would be a 1 hour, 1 minute, or a 1 hour, 30-second. All right, I'm going to slow this up a little bit. I don't want to miss this. It's going to be a while, but I'll go ahead and click a few times till we get there. I should have marked it. I wasn't thinking. Da, 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 da. And we're just waiting for the M1 or the F30 to flip over. And it will here in just a second. It's not true. I have no idea how long it's going to take. Well, still no sell, so no buy, I should say, no signal. Getting much, much closer, I hope. Some bitch. I have to fucking tag this thing. Da, 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 da. Still waiting. I'll try to catch it manually here if I can. And again, look at how long that pre-signal was telling you that, hey, look for a signal. You're on a 30-second chart, so this is a lot more exaggerated. It just looks like it's a long time. Each one of these candles that you're seeing is a 30-second chart candle. Again, waiting to the right there. Da, 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 da. Sorry to bore some of you, but this is called life. And I'll make some call outs here very, very soon. I'm not going to be trading through open. Matter of fact, I'll have to leave in about an hour, a little less than an hour. Ooh, right here. All right. So now you have your green 30-second popped up at the same time. There was a 1 minute evidently. So now this would be your first entry, Rayshon. You go pop. This is your money now. We're going to go ahead and play it back. And this is gold. This is he wanted a 1 minute buy. Technically, it is at this current time. Now, any other future lines that pop up, you cannot take market order entries if you have the signal service. You have to make a rules entry, follow just like you normally would. And this is your money. Da, 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 da. And this would have been another entry if you followed the rules, which you could. It's up to you if you want to or not. And let's see, you've already been profitable, by the way, multiple times. And this is how you would trade. So for Rayshon, there's another 30-second. If you want to follow the rules, you can enter again. There's your money. And you guys are trying to have no drawdown with a funded account is the silliest thing I ever heard. You're going to have drawdown. It's just the way it is. There's nothing funny about it. As good as my system is, you're still going to have some drawdown. That's life. There you go. It doesn't matter the dollar amount. It matters the win rate. And all the trades that would have been entered into, including the hourly, all would have made money. And the 30-second, 3 minute, 30-second all would have made money. Does that answer your question, Rayshon? is there something else you'd like to ask me about? The one I was looking at was around 11:35. Looked at partial entry, but it kept going down. 11:35 Forex time, Rayshawn? You know better, Rayshawn. You got to give me an exact Forex time. If we're looking at, we say 1 minute. What does 11:35 mean? 11:35 Forex time? Da, 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 da. Here's your 1 minute. Why would you do a 1 minute? You say a sell stop? No, Rayshawn, I'm not doing London. You tell me what time it is on Athens. Oh boy, I think there's some misunderstanding. We trade, and it's in your rules. The only time period we trade is Athens +3. UTC Athens, UTC Athens. That's it. You can't give me the trade in UTC Athens time. I can't help you. So if you can't give me the trade, UTC +3 Athens right here, I can't help you. I'm not fucking around with London time or anything else. I'm a little annoyed you would say that, actually. So no, there's no help for you. I'm going to go on. All right, let's go on. Let's make some call outs. Jeez, fuck. All right, let's take a look at our little scanner wanners here and see what we got going on. Looks like everything turned green. What do you know? Oh, I have 3 trades open in case you're unaware of that. Good morning, Raider Trader. What's up, Ray? I have 4 trades. I have 2 long-term buys, 1 NAS, 1. Oh, fuck it. I'll just show you. Da, 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 da. I have this is an SPX buy from 6.4, a buy on NAS 6.4, a buy on Odd USD, which is just the testing. It's been in money multiple times. And I have a buy yesterday of US 30.02. Did this trade exactly live. Now it's at 203. These were red at the time. Now they're all green, and there's our money again. It does it over and over again. You guys must not really pay attention to much because that's what it does. Good morning, Jason McCain. Good morning, my friend. You missed the entry. The correct entry was 11:11 London time, 13:10. Oh, thank you, Mr. C, for doing the work for Rayshawn. Thank you for telling me what time that was. I'll get back to gold maybe if I remember about it. All right, so these are all buys now, which is ironic. US 30, US 30, 1 minute, 3 minute, nothing, forming a 1 minute, 3 minute buy stop. Nope, nothing. 5 minute. This is your, by the way, let's be clear on something. Let's be really clear on something. Let's be super clear on something. Okay, this was your buy, US 30 buy on 621. This is your buy yesterday. I'm sorry, 3 days ago. US 30 15-minute 1 hour buy. This is your buy on 625. Let's take a look and see if any of those made money. I'm not just trading with you. I'm writing out my trades in, there it is. You can't mistake this. They're live video call outs. They're live trade call outs. I trade with you. These 2 trades were called live. Let's see how much they went up. Here's your trade number 1. It went all the way up to here, 200 pips on US 30. The first one. The second one went up 147 pips on US 30. In case some of you are living under a rock, you're looking at 10 pips a day if you're a professional trader. If you're lucky, that's if you're extremely lucky. They make several trades a day. They trade high volume. They open up 100 lots and they let it move a tick or 2. I'm talking about hundreds of pips. They would actually be retired for life if they caught one of these trades doing that. It would be amazing. Okay, let's turn all these off. Sorry. Da 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 da. So these are the trades that were called out. Obviously, you can see this is a buy stop right here. Not only was it, it was a perfect one. Not only was it, it went straight up. No call on US 30. And the main thing I'll be looking for US 30 evidently is going to be a pullback. Now remember, I've been preaching this for pretty much over a week now. I am 100% looking for this thing to curve back up. The pink line is now crossed. You don't care about any of that. The purple, I'm looking for the best buy that we have, and I've been saying this for a while now, is not NAS, not SPX, but US 30. US 30 is our best buy. I'm not saying it's going to go up, nothing does. I'm telling you that from the lines and the 3 times I called, you can see the first time was back here, it is up hundreds and hundreds of pips. I would look for any buy stop you can get. Look at how much that fucking is. Holy shit. Wow. US daily weekly buy stop. US daily weekly buy stop. Holy fuck. 1,100 pips. 1,000 pips from when I first called this. Crazy good. Holy shit. That is insanely good. So, anywho, this is going to occur when this pink line comes up. I will keep this trade until it comes near the top of this blue or touches the top of blue, and then I will get out of the trade. Hope that's clear. So right now, I've already called these buys. There's nothing more I can call. I wait for a pullback to the 15-second blue line. And once it goes down to this blue line, a 15-second buys for me. If it touches the blue line, go ahead and start looking for some buy stops at the, I don't know. I would play any 15-second buy stop you can find to the daily buy stop, US 30, until this weekly blue line is down here, right? Yeah, to a dark blue. I'll talk to Keith about it. Da 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 da. So there's not much to call. Da 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 da. NAS. You're in the money on the 1 hour NAS buy stops I called, and the SPX buy stops I called. I called these out on 6/21, and then I called them out again on yesterday. So you're in the money on all the call outs from yesterday and from 6/21 on SPX, NAS, and US 30. These are all written out, typed out, played out, trade out. Now you guys want me to call more? I don't know what to tell you. If you can see any kind of pullback on the 15-second, I mean, I hope they come out with some bullshit news today and drop it down hard, and then we go back in. That's all I can tell you. I mean, if we can get a 15-second pullback here, that'd be awesome. I would play any 15-second through daily buy stop on NAS, SPX, and US 30. All we can hope for is if there's that bullshit news, they CPI or whatever bullshit they have, there's your buy on it. You had already made money on that trade right there. You could have been entered in right here. You don't have the new EMA, but you'll have this one soon. Yeah, that's all I can tell you. That's what it's going to be. What else can you do? There's nothing fucking else you can do. I hope this goes down to the 15-second. I hope this goes down to the 30. You guys can start playing those, but there's nothing. I would look for a 15-second sell stop to the blue line on NAS, US 30, and SPX. Pray it keeps going down. Pray it keeps going down. Pray that it makes these things turn red over here. Red, 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 red. As soon as NAS breaks the 15-second and turns red, play the US 30 and SPX for the down. And then we got to hope that there's news, whatever it is, 8:30, 2 o'clock, whatever it is fucking today, FOMC, 2 o'clock. I don't know, whatever, CPI, whatever the fuck it is. Just play the downs initially. And if they drop it hard, then do the buys later on. I'm telling you, that's what they're going to do. I hope it's a huge negative shit today. I hope they drop it like a rock. So if we can get this to go below this blue line, then start looking for SPX. Oh, I don't think it's going to do it. And US, I just don't think it's going to do it. Not, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. But that's, I have shit to call. I told you guys what to do for weeks on end. What to do. Take those buys, take those buys, take those buys. You should have been in your money and done trading. I don't know. That's it. All right, oil. Let's take a look at oil. Good morning, Gina Fly the Sky. Good morning. CPI. Oh, I wish I could trade through that. It'd be so fun to do. See, I just don't think you're going to see things the way, whatever. All right, let's see if we can get a short-term oil call here. No. No. All right, so fine. Let's go to 1 hour. All right, here we go. Oil, US and UK, the same thing. You already missed your buy stop. It's too far of a run up. Fuck. 1 hour. Let me see. 4 hour. Yep. 1 hour, 4 hour. Wow. Look, here you go. Here is a 4 hour. There is the first oil I called out 1 hour buy. Here's the 4 hour buy I called on 624. This was a 4 hour buy stop I called. If you'd have listened to me, you could have got it in demo money only at $80 and it went up to 82. Doesn't sound like a lot, but in oil terms, that's a fucking shit ton. So there's my call outs on oil. Again, you're asking me to make a call on something that I called out 4 days ago. I don't know what to tell you. I'm not going to make any calls. Can I give you at least a goal where it's heading to? Nope. 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 Maybe. Oh, we don't have enough history. Fuck. Nope. That's all we got. So that's it for oil. Nothing to call. EUR USD. Let's see if we can find some cheap money quick for you guys. Nope. 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 Yes. Do any 15-second through 5-minute buy stop to the 10-minute blue line on ERUSD. Maybe we can sit here and watch it go up to it. Do 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 All right, that's ERUSD shorter term. Let's see, long term. 1 hour already hit. 1 hour buy already to the blue line hit. 2 hour. Buy. 4 hour. Do the to the 10-minute buy. Keep holding that buy. It's forming a 4 hour sell stop. I'm assuming this is daily. 4 hour sell stop. 4 hour daily sell stop. ERUSD. Yeah, see, it's going to pull down on this weekly. It's going to come down and come back up again. So we got a long ways on that. UDSHF is the complete opposite. GBP JPY. Weekly touched. Easiest money you guys ever made. Did I not make a GBP JPY? Where's my lines at? I absolutely 100% called this fucking out. I told you guys play till the pink line comes up to the blue. I called it. I showed you. Where the hell is my? There it is. There it is. 12-hour buy stop GBP JPY. 12 from when I called it right here. Let's take a look. I knew it. I knew it. 418 pips on GBP JPY you would have made if you'd have listened to me. Demo money only. You would have made 400. 400. Is that fucking insanity, dude? 418 pips on this call out, this 12-hour buy. See, these aren't changed. These aren't moved. These are in stone. I call them out. I write them out. Sometimes I trade them with you. There it is. Holy, I've been putting the date on there now, so we won't have any troubles with the date. There it is. Have you noticed Not one wrong call. Kind of ironic. Huh? So GBB, I don't know. What do you want me to do now? You're up 450 pips. And I'm supposed to make a call out for you. Okay, why not? It's going to come down more. I'm calling out a 2-hour buy stop. Let it come down to the yellow line. Put your buy stop, trail it down, follow it down, and there you go. That's what I would call it. Nothing else to do with GPJPY. I'm sure it's well past. Oh, shit, it's not? Whoa, hold on. Maybe we can get you some short-term money. Ho, ho, ho. 30-second, 1 minute. Oh, look at it go down. 15-second sell stop, 30-second sell stop, 1 minute sell stop to the 3-minute blue line, GBBJPY. And then just look for buys. Just look for buys. Ding, ding, ding. We have a winner. After this goes down a while, I would only play buys on GBBJPY. It's the easiest fucking thing to trade in the history of the world. All it does is go up. It's gone up over 6,000 pips in the last 4 years. That's crazy. I will not go do the playback, even though I love it. Da, 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 da. All right, I'm getting bored. All right, Ethereum. Let's do Ethereum deep dive for Mr. Larry here. Ethereum. Da, 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 da. Gee whiz. Weekly buy stop on 624. Daily. 625 buy. I agree with the daily, weekly buy stop. Monthly. It's kind of already hitting up. Daily, weekly buy stop. Do we hit? Oh, we hit the 1 hour. Didn't I call the 1 hour buy to the blue line yesterday? I thought I called it 2 hour though. No, it must have been the 1 hour. All right, 1 hour. Let's see if we can get 2, 3 sell. 3 hour sell stop. 3 hour, 4 hour sell stop. Be careful there on this one. Be careful, Larry. Be very careful on this. Our logo showing the first time, which is the best. This is the second time this is happening. This is a downward sloping M. This 4 hour sell could be very hard. This could be a very hard sell. I'm talking to Larry specifically because he's made a shit ton of money on this, and I don't want him to get stumped. I'm not saying it's going to do it. I'm telling you, I have a very good sell stop line right here for Ethereum. I can see this. This could be a very troubling for you if you want to buy right here. I'd be very careful. Lock in your profit on Ethereum. Make sure you lock it in because this looks like a hard 2 hour, 4 hour sell. Let me see what it's looking like on the 15-second. Yeah, ricochet, sell stop, Ethereum back to the 15-second blue line. I don't care. 15-second, I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. No, I don't care about any of these. So it's a 15-second, 30-second sell, Ethereum. That 4 hour sell is strong. The daily, weekly will win. Daily, weekly buys, daily, weekly, monthly buys. So that's all. Just in case, I'm trying to give Larry a heads up on Ethereum. Bitcoin's would be the same thing. I refuse to call it for you guys. I sometimes do feel bad for you, but I call Bitcoin at $26,500 on a live, and I did it 200 more times throughout the next from 3/8/23 until now, or till 3/8/24. Actually, I stopped, and I will not call it anymore. XRP, I don't give 2 fucks what it's doing. I'm calling it a monthly buy. I'm only going to adjust this down and see where I can put it. Bitcoin, I'm sorry, XRP buy, and I don't give a fuck what you guys do with it. I'm saying buy. Buy XRP monthly. I can give a shit. I bought it at 31 cents. I don't care if it goes to 1 penny. I'm still accumulating it. I'm at $2,800 real money. I'm not a financial advisor. You trade only demo money, but I'm doing what I'm doing. You guys do what the fuck you're doing. I'm putting a buy in. Amazon, I've been saying buy since $93. It just doesn't stop doing it. So I keep telling you this. If insane what it trades at. I love Amazon. I don't get it's people say they hate it, but they secretly use it. If Amazon goes to zero, the world has bigger issues. We will not be worried about Amazon at that point. All right, not many good calls because there's not anything to call this morning. Everything I've already done. Let's go back to gold, and I'm going to see if I can help Rayshon through Mr. C with some kind of 1 minute. Good morning, Janfly, this guy. You should legally change your name to Mr. 100%. Thank you for all you do. Thanks, Jan, but I'm not that good. No, the thing that's 100% going to be these signals. They'll be like a Mr. 99%. CPI, yeah, 8:30. I'm going to have to go here in about a half hour anyways, 15, 20 minutes. I would say, though. Don't forget gold. Good or gold? I'm assuming he meant gold. 11:11, 13:10 Forex time. So I think Mr. C already corrected Rayshon, but let's go ahead and go to, I'm assuming he means this morning. Well, first of all, there wasn't a 1 minute buy stop. What the fuck is he talking about? Hold on. 13:10, 13:10 or 13:11. 13:10. How can it be one time 11, one time 10? I don't know, but 13:10. All right. And what did Rayshon say? He said it was a 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop. And don't ever tell me Eastern Standard Time or you do the actual time, or I'm not talking to you. I can't look up everyone's fucking time zone they live in. I swear to God, inconsiderate. Kept going down. What the hell is he talking about? Where was his call out that he's worried about? He obviously misread everything. Can you look at gold 5 minute, 1 minute buy stop? Gold. Where does he see a 1 minute, 5 minute? Was there a? There isn't a 1 minute, 5 minute at a time. Mr. C, what the fuck is he? What are we looking at this time period that says this is a buy stop? Tell me what I'm seeing here because I don't see it. The buy stop is back here. Oh, is that what Mr. C was saying, that he missed the entry? Doesn't matter anyways. It still went straight up. What is he talking? I think he must be something. Might be tired this morning or something. Correct buy stop entry was from the 3. It wouldn't have mattered anyways. It went straight up. What's up, Banner Video? Good morning. I don't know what Rayshon's looking at here. Trying to help you, Rayshon. This is nothing but a buy. There's no buy stop here at this time. Am I in the wrong date? You mean yesterday or something? Look, buy stop. Huh. Weird as fuck. I don't know what there's no way you could have lost money on this. He's talking about gold. Mr. C, was he talking about gold? When it's the perfect, absolute perfect logo, started under, came over, retraced, but there is no. Now there's a buy stop, I'm sure, down on the 30-second or 1 minute for sure, 15-second, I should say. Yeah, there it is. So it's a 15-second buy. He wasn't talking about 15-second buys. No, this is a perfect call. It didn't keep going down. It wasn't wrong. What the fuck is he talking about? I don't know, Rayshon. I can't help you. I'm not going to waste any more time on that. Best I can do. It's a perfect buy. There's no way in hell you could have lost money. I don't know what you're seeing or thinking, but there's no way in hell that trade lost money. You'd have made nothing but shit tons of fucking money. Look. Look. The 30-second buy is called out by the signal service right here. How can you, what the hell am I looking at? How can there have been anything else but that called? And you couldn't have played a sell. I'm confused as fuck. I don't know what to tell you. 100% a win. 100% you're reading something wrong, Rayshon. That's all I can tell you. I don't know what it is. Maybe the wrong time you told us or something. I don't know. But something ain't right. And by the way, this isn't the first time you should have entered in back here. Matter of fact, that isn't the first time you should have entered here and here. Matter of fact, that isn't the first time. This is your daily call out right here, or hourly call out right here. Remember, I just went over this trade this morning for you. Hope that helps. I don't know what the hell. Cold. Nothing. Short term. Nothing. 1 minute buy. 1 minute buy gold. But you're too late. 3 minute already was. Yeah, I don't know. Let me see where it's going. Maybe we can get some spot it's headed to for you guys. Nope. Nope. So you're too late on all these buys. You should have already been in these buys. Yeah, it's just ridiculous. You guys want me to get money out of a fucking rock. If you didn't take the buy when I called out the buy on the daily buy stop gold, then why are you looking for it now? I told you all what to do. I told you to do a daily buy. It was at 2306. I told you to do the buy. I told you to do the buy. And I told you to do the demo buy. What more do you want from me? Now you want to do it? All right. Look for any 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 7 hour, 12 hour daily pullback. So if you can see a 15-second buy stop, keep playing it until you see gold go from down here on the pink line all the way up until you see this. Keep doing buy stops all the way up, just like it did here. Keep doing buy stops on gold. I can't help you if you didn't enter it when I told you to for the last week to 2 weeks. I forgot. It's been a week for sure. I've been telling you to do this buy. I wish I could. But that's it. So look for a pullback now. Wait for a 15-second, 30-second, 31 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute buy stop. That's all you can do. You should have been in the trade back here when I told you. Fucking don't listen. Now you guys want to know gold. Gold. Get out of here. Should have listened to me when I told you. There it is. This is going to come up. As this comes up, it'll perform more buy stops for you. If you're unsure of what you were looking for, buy the damn signal service where I got it for you now. Look, guess what it was calling for? Gee, I don't know. It was calling for a weekly. There's a buy stop. Here's a buy stop. There's a buy stop. All these are already in the money. So not only did I call it, but the signal service called it. The signal service probably trades better than me at this point because it trades without emotion. It's me trading on a signal for you. That's what this is. Everybody says, I want a copy trader. I want to do your trade. Well, here they are. Here's your fucking copy trader. Buy the signal service, and you'll get my trades. Literally, I wrote it out, and literally the signal service called it out. Yeah, here we're sitting a week later in the money, and I want to make more money. Yeah, okay. Well, then I'm telling you how to sit here and wait. It'll happen. Mark my words, it'll happen. When you see this little pink line come up like that, you're going to see a whole bunch more buys. You'll see 30-second buys, 5-minute buys, 10-minute buys, 15-minute. Look, if this came up, there it is. Watch. Do. I don't know where my Holy Grail trade. Yeah, boom, baby. There's your Holy Grail trades too, but I'm not going to get into that. All right, let's see. So we're going to see gold from here on, from this line forward, and we're going to see what it calls out. So you guys can have a good laugh. Da 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 da. All right, we're going to do. We should put on the fast time zone. Weekly hour. Right. So this is going to be. Well, actually, this is the daily one right here. Here's your daily one right there. And now look. These are all the signals that were called. So this is your pre-signal, your machine gun pre-signal on gold said buy. These are all the signals on the way up. You only play the first one. Look at it. Play the first one. There it goes. Now watch. I'm going to show you guys something so fucking cool. Watch this shit. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da, 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 da. Here we go. Watch how fucking cool this is. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. This is how smart the system is. How freaking incredible. Now it's a little hard. We got a little busy charts going on here, but we have to have this. Da, 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 right here. Now watch. This is your pre-signal right here. That all the other signals are coming. Okay. And technically, it should have been back here. I'm a little concerned on that. And this should technically be it. Yeah, this should be your daily pre-signal. I mean, it's still fine, just a little late right here. But here it is. So anyway, so this is what we're looking at. As this pink line comes up to this blue line, you're going to see all the actual signals start firing off. You're to take only the first one. Now, can we get this to play back? Probably not. We'll try, though. Let's see if we can get it to go. See if we can get a little play back here. There we go. You can do a buy on your first signal, or you can preferably and should wait until you see one of these change color right here. Another line pop up in yours. So we're going to sit here, and we'll just go forward a little bit. You can see profit. Doesn't matter though until we see the. Oh, we should start seeing some now. Hopefully, I don't know. Maybe we missed them. See, sometimes it plays them back, even though on a smaller time frame, it should play this back. No, it's not gonna. Well, long story short is though, you can see some money being made. There we go. Day 2, you can do another buy. It's only catching the daily signals, smaller ones. Da, 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 da. Damn, I wish it would show those. We're watching gold playback. And again, the dollar amounts don't matter. What matters is it 100% or a good win percentage. There's another one. You can do another buy if you like. And there it is. It didn't pull up all those tiny little ones. I don't know why, because it pisses me off, I guess. But they're there, and you would have had all those buys on the way up. Pretty simple. Comes out. Oop. There it is. There it is. So, I don't know. I think it's cool as fuck myself. I think it's amazing that the signal service is so freaking accurate. Just amazing. All right. Not much action today. I'm going to leave you guys with the thoughts that you need to have a US 30, NAS, and SPX pull down. I'm going to draw this out. I hope whatever fucking news comes out at 8:30, it dips us down. Then go ahead and buy in if you have the opportunity, but you better be fast. If they did this yesterday actually with whatever bullshit news, GPP, CNN, ABC, Fox News, whatever it was. They pulled it down and then they arched it up, and we made a good bit of money on that. Hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars, some of you made. I would look for a bigger pullback if it's any kind of news today, and then we'll see it pop up. But that's just my opinion. What do I know? So hopefully we see a pullback on NAS, SPX, or US 30, or at least one of the three. If I had a gathering, I would say NAS is going to pull back hard, NAS and SPX. But we'll see. They can give us that little pull down right here. Put your buy stops back in again and take it again. Anybody want me to check any other symbol while I'm here? Good morning, Greg. Good morning, Flight 379. Good morning, Brian Flores. Good morning, Aladay Freddie. How much are the signals? You have to go ahead and get the system, $575 for the year. Then you have to get the sniper, $150 a month, and then you have to get the signal service. So basically, $300 a month to $500 a month for the signal service, depending on how many signals you want. Yes, he was way too late. Should have gotten in like 12:42. Got you, Mr. You're correct. Good morning, Banner video. What's up, Filio? Good morning, Filio. Good morning, Brian. Eurochef. Wow. Eurochef. What buy? Let's see. I'll look at Eurochef. Eurochef with daily buy entry was 0.95. The trade is up. Nice DPFX. Nice. Did you find that one on your own DPFX? Very proud of you. You think they do it on gold to do the news with a W? Gold usually doesn't get overly affected with the news. What gets affected with the news is NAS, US 30, and SPX. Those suckers. And of course, if there's news on ERUSD, if there's news on GBP, whatever the news is on. But our main news, those are the ones that get affected, the ones I care about. Let me look at EURCHF. EURCHF. Boy, oh boy, have we even looked at that one in the last little bit? I don't know about that. I might have to type it in. Yeah, probably. EURCHF. There we go. And I love it. Oh, we do have it open. He said it was a daily what? Up over 100 pips. It was a weekly daily buy. Yes. Really? Wow, you're already making. Now, careful with this one. Woo-wee. It sure does look like a weekly sell, but I'm glad you're up over 100 pips. Yeah, it's going to take a minute on that. I think you're going to make a shit ton more money. This is the issue I have with this one. This is completely a sell stop on the week. Let me see the monthly. It's not done, though. It's completely a weekly, monthly sell, so be careful of that. Yeah, you're going to see a pull up, though. It's going to arch back up probably a good bit. Yeah. All right. Anybody on TikTok have any questions before I go? About the system, about what to trade, what I'm looking at? Any questions at all? Da 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 da. Da 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 da. I'll break my fast today. US 30. I already told you what US 30 needs to do. You guys should have bought it when I said it. Has it flipped yet? Pay attention to US 30 NAS and SPX. If you see one of these flip, there you go to the 30-second line. Then you do a 15-second, 30-second sell stop NAS and SPX to its blue line. If you don't know what the blue line is by the system, and then look for 15-second, 30-second sell stop to US 30 1-minute blue lines. Okay. And if they pull this down, to like the 3-minute blue lines or near it, or the 5-minute blue lines near it, they are 100% going to jack it up come news time. 100%. Now, if they don't pull it down by then no, then I want them to pull it down at news. So there's a difference. If you see these things start flashing red before the 8:30 news or the 2 o'clock, whatever fucking news they come out with, they will absolutely jack it up. If they don't turn red before then, they're going to pull it down like I showed you, like they do. They do that bullshit where they collect all your stop losses. they'll pull it down and then they'll shoot it back up then. That's my take on what's going to happen at news. Wish I could be here with you guys, but I actually have to pack. We're leaving in the morning. Yeah, might be leaving tonight. Might be spending the night in a hotel closer to the airport. But anyways, that's for US 30 NAS and SPX. What's your expectation about gold? Already went over, rewatched the video, Mohammed. Have a great weekend. Thank you, Flight 379. Thanks, Greg. Good morning. It's my time. Unfortunately, it's my time. You're a little bit late. Bon Jovi would be a little upset with you. It's my time. No, I'm going. But good morning to everybody. You might want to rewatch the video. It's some good information in here. I kind of liked it, but some call outs in there. But again, just look for that pullback on US 30 NAS and SPX. Watch your little chart right here. Wait for these to start flipping red. If we can get that before the news at 8:30, bam, look for a strong pull up. If they don't flip red before then, what they're going to do is pull it down hard and then raise it back up. That's my opinion. We'll see. I might pull it down hard until the news FOMC at 2 o'clock. Who knows? I don't really care. If I have time, I'll play it. If I don't have time, I won't. I'm in long-term buys again, to be clear. I'm in these things right here. These are my only trades on this account I have open. SPX, long-term buy. NAS up 1,200 pips, up 200 pips, by the way. Up 1,200 pips on NAS, still in that from 6.4. This is just a test one. And this has already been in profit multiple. They just don't close it up. And this is US 30 right now. All of them have locked in profit. All of them have locked in profit. All of them. So if it dips down too hard, I just take my money and get the fuck out. All right, I'm going to go ahead and go. See you guys on TikTok. Bye. God bless. Good luck. Talk to you later, maybe in a few days. All right. God bless you all on YouTube. Let me get over here. Y'all have a wonderful day. Enjoy yourselves. Thank you, Mr. Y'all have a great weekend too. Thank you, Jan. You too. Thank you, Phil. You too. Pray that we don't have a hurricane. Take care. Thanks, Tony. All right. God bless y'all. Y'all have a great